Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a tutorial on how you can use a compressor tool to make your files become smaller in size, right? So the compressor tool I will be using today is WINZIP. There's a lot of compressor tools such as WINZIP, PKZIP, and more. But today I'll be going with WINZIP. So you can install it from Google Chrome, right? Just click on it to open. So there is two options whether you want to buy to use the full feature, but for me I'll be using the evaluation version. And then what you do next is just search on the files that you want to compress. So here you can see this video here. I'm going to compress this video. So click on it. Okay, click on this button. That means to add to the zip. Okay, now wait while it loads. Alright, so oh my god. Oh, so it can only make the size a little bit smaller, but still it makes it smaller, right? So the first one before we compress it is 546.71 MB. Then after compression it becomes 545.18 MB, right? So then you click close, and then it will ask you to, if you want to save the changes that you have made. Then if you want to save, then click save. Then if you are not that satisfied about the size because it has no it is not that big in differences, then you can click don't save. But for me here, I will be clicking don't save because I don't want to waste my laptop storage, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.